Welcome to Fishing and Gear. Jim here, Lake Moultrie. Hatchery boat landing. Pretty deserted. The lake is very, very low. I'd say it might be 4 or 5 feet. I had to back down pretty far just to get the boat in. You can see the bank over here on the other side. It's usually all underwater. But we're going to drift anyways. Stay tuned. Let's see if we're going to catfish today. As you can see, it's pretty rough out here today. But as long as we can slow the boat down to at least 0.5, 0.6, I think we'll still be okay. We're just going to spin the boat around and just ride back with the waves and see if we can get them some today. A little chilly. You can see we got some pretty good waves, but I think we'll make it. So we got the iPilot holding us. I'm going to get everything set up, get the socks ready, throw them out the back of the boat, and spin the boat around. We can start drifting. Hang tight. So we got the lines on out. Got 5 rods out today. I brought 6. I'm missing a couple planer boards. I ordered a couple, so I'm kind of missing a couple. So we just got 5 out today. Hey man, where them fish at, man?
Hey man, I thought when I called, you would call the big fish, man. You losing them.
I know, that's what usually happens. Oh, hard takedown, dude. See, we
get this one.
Finally got a takedown. We missed one earlier.
Yeah, fall out the boat.
Now we're trying not to fall out the boat. We got some rough water here. Just if I can get this one out your way, Stacey, I'm gonna go all the way over here. Good job.
He's wanting to go the other way though.
If I got to pull the drift sock up, I will.
Okay, don't do that. No, don't do that.
Oh yeah.
Come on, don't do that.
You don't want to go this way. Ain't seen him yet. Looks like a pretty good one, Stacy. Okay. Okay, give it a little slack. Okay. See what I was telling you, these fall catfish, just cooler water, they fight harder. You think they're bigger than what they are.
Yeah, I thought he was a little big, but he fought good.
Okay, there's the first one. Stacy got this one. Good catfish.
Okay, Jimmy, you next now. Big boy's got to be out.
Up next, maybe it'll be a bigger one, but
Yep.
that's what I was telling Stacy, that these fall catfish will fight. I think it's a bigger fish than it is.
Yeah, I thought he was big.
So we need to get him back in. Okay, on to the next. Oh, it's got some pressure to it. It's got some pressure to it.
Be a good one.
Hard to tell yet. These catfish in the fall, they fight so hard and they pull down so hard. You think every fish is a big fish, even though it might not be.
I learned that earlier. We'll just win.
It's a little chilly. A little chilly. I don't think he's real big. He's fighting good though. There you go. Net.
He's slimy now. Oh, Jimmy.
You up? Okay, I'm gonna dump this one really quick because Stacy's got one on the line right here. So we get him in. What you think, Stacy? That last one's kind of small. I think we keep catching the same fish.
We got a mess.
actually getting a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not too bad right
No.
there.
It's bigger than the last two.
25, 22.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drift a little bit longer. Keep on rolling. Kablusha.
See? One again. That's how I did earlier. He's on there, baby. He's on there.
Oh yeah, he's on there. He's on there.
Yeah, he's on there.
That's a good takedown. Okay. So we got this one. I put the chicken back in his mouth. He worked hard for it. So we're gonna put this one back in. I'm just gonna kind of toss him. Not no monsters yet, but we're gonna keep pulling a little bit longer, see what happens.
Just hung up. Is it? Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
It's a fish. It's a fish.
What?
It's a fish on there, Stacy.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's a big fish on there, Stacy. Let me get this in that your way. I had a snag in that line and I was trying to get it loose. And while it was sitting, a fish hit it. I think we might be got something good. You still on there, Stacy?
I don't feel anything.
Oh, hope he didn't get off. You might be swimming.
He could be. Because you had to do it way out there.
Well, I hope
No,
he's still
on.
He's still on there?
Yeah, he's
Okay,
still on.
okay. Well, he's traveling, ain't he? Definitely got something here. Definitely got something here. Stacy, you're not gonna break your PB again, are you?
Yeah, I told you I'd get a big one. I don't know. We'll see.
Boy, he is doing
Get
some
that rod bent.
work on that rod. Jeez. That's just crazy.
Okay.
He started ripping that drag like crazy at first, didn't he?
2 hands, y'all. Gotta get 2 hands. 'Cause
This
he's mad at
has
me.
got to be a good fish. Got to be a good fish. And I just had reeled this one in and let it back out. Oh yeah. Looks like a good fish, Stacy. Looks like a good fish.
Hold on, y'all. He's still working.
Just do what you need to do,
He
Stacy.
ain't giving up.
I know. Like I said, they got energy to spare this time of year. Okay. Nice. That's a good fish, Stacy. That's a real good fish.
And my fingers are so frozen. I did that. I'm proud of myself.
It was worth this cold weather.
Cold.
Yeah, we got to. I think we got to weigh this one.
Big.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Don't feel real heavy.
48.
48.
48.
It's good catfish, Stacy. 48
Yeah,
pounds.
48 pounds.
Okay, Stacy. Good job, Stacy. Let's get a length on this one before we put him back.
Okay.
So this one was we weighed him in at
Oh, he
48.
is fat.
About 48 pounds. It's a good catfish. It's good. This one's extra slimy.
Yeah.
43 inches. Good catfish, Stacy. Gonna get him back in. Well, it's a little faster than normal, but
He's so slimy.
Yeah, he was
There
extra
goes the
slimy.
bubbles.
okay.
He's good.
Okay, Stacy, we're gonna drag a little bit longer. Maybe I'll get a big one next.
Okay. That's a fish. That's a fish. Hold on.
Gotta use the fishing gear now.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna look at one. If it gets on there, I'm gonna grab that one, Jimmy. Look at one. If it's on there, I'm gonna grab that one.
Stacy, you see what
Pretty
you...
little fish though, huh?
Stacy, you see what you did again.
I didn't do anything.
Pretty little fish. Don't even start that crap. You did the same thing you did last time I come out here with you. You caught a big fish and now you're making jokes. It ain't funny. It ain't funny. I'm gonna start just bringing David because he lets me catch a big fish every now and then. Anyway, let's get this guy loose and get him back in.
I have nothing to say.
Okay, little fella, back in you go. I'm gonna make this dramatic, Stacy. Make it dramatic. I just made it dramatic with no fish.
I said okay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, I'm taking
Oh,
this
that's,
one too.
yeah, that's right, that's
I'm
right.
taking
Just
this
shoot,
one.
just shoot, just shoot. Yeah,
Whoa,
you take
whoa,
it. You
whoa,
take it.
whoa.
Take. You okay?
He's pulling drag. He's
Whoa.
pulling drag. Whoa.
Oh, you
Whoa.
got it. Do I need to hold onto your belt? Jeez.
I'm getting redemption. Stacy
I was
got.
trying to grab it again because I'm thinking it's
Stacy
my
got that
turn, but
big
I'm like,
fish.
No, you had the little one, so you take it.
We were taking turns, but
Okay.
Stacy said, "Hey, since I got that big one, she's gonna be nice and let me get a big one today." I noticed these
I
fish.
thought you had a big fish.
I noticed these fish this time of year are so energetic. They will be pulling like crazy, and then they will just swim right to the boat. Look at here,
Yeah,
he is passing the boat.
yeah, that's how mine
Look here.
did. Okay, planter board. Oh yeah.
Whoa! Look at him, he's running back again, running again.
Jeez.
He's making a run.
Wow.
The thing is, he don't look real huge.
No,
He don't,
That's
but
how they make you think.
these fish this time of
They're
year just
big.
have so much stamina. It is so fun to catfish in the fall.
It's so bad 'cause I'm cold, but it's exciting.
He's not bad though. Look here, Stacy. He's not bad.
It's not.
This fish here is not giving up. He is not giving up without a fight. I tell you, Stacy, when I caught that 75-pounder a month ago, he didn't fight as hard
I'll tell you, yeah.
as these fall catfish.
Yep, my
It is
60
just,
pounder wasn't like the other one I caught.
it is just crazy how hard these fish will fight. They are prime this time of year.
Come on, buddy. Give up.
I think he might can scoop him. Good job, Stacy. Got him scooped in one try.
I was waiting on the moment. Okay, see? I share. I share with you.
Another good catfish. Might be 40. Might push 40. I don't think he's as big as the one you caught. But a little bit of redemption because you was picking at me about me catching that small.
I told you I'd share my waters with you.
Okay, so let's
There
get
you
him
go.
back in.
It's a good looking fish though.
Okay, buddy. Nice.
Yeah, he's gone.
Okay, Stacy, I guess we could call it for today. We're about the end of this run. You know, fall, these fish have a lot of energy. You know, that's kind of the basis of the video. You know, you got to fight them out. You know, they're going to put a whammy on you. They're going to try.
And
So,
slime on you.
yeah, look. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode of Fishing and Gear. To the next one, Stacy.
Yeah.
We out.
Living on a lighted stage approaches the unreal. For those who think and feel in touch with some reality beyond the gilded cage.